Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Wednesday, April the 2nd, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. What I do every morning is go through a bunch of press releases and try to then find the best ones that stand out to me. I go over the news a bit and also talk somewhat about the trends that I'm seeing with their stock. Each day we try to make the show around a 10-minute time frame. Got 6 companies to talk about today, and some big news in the industry in the mining industry on a big takeover. So I'm going to get right to it. The first company I'm going to talk about today is Pilot Gold. Pilot Gold completed a $20 million bought deal financing. So they have plenty of money to go after their project, especially the one that especially has my attention is their project down in Nevada. They have what I think is a very impressive new discovery. I'm following this closely because this is a strong team that has found significant large gold deposits in the past in Nevada. Sold them out to larger companies at quite a premium. So this is a good team. They know what they're doing in Nevada. The stock is up 4 cents today, trading at $1.43. Traded 145,000 shares today. Looking at their stock chart, and they were on a explosive move from December. They were trading at about $1 or at 84 cents. Ran all the way up to just shy of $1.80. Gave back a little bit of those gains, but I think it's finding a support level here and the next level to move up from. I like this company a lot, and I think that, and I'm sure I'll be talking about this one on the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. PLG is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next up is Denison Mines. Denison Mines had drill results out from their uranium project near Wheeler River. They hit 4.2 meters of 17.3% uranium at Griffin. This is 3 kilometers northwest of their Phoenix deposit. It had good results there. You can see in their press release. And yeah, it's looking good. Now, it is worth noting that Denison Mines has close to 500 million shares out. So, you know, that has an impact on valuation and the chance for it to move. Stock's down 5 cents today on 546,000 shares traded last at $1.72. Stock has been on a very good move from the October lows. Yeah, the chart looks actually quite good. Just makes me a little bit nervous with that amount of stock out. DML is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next up is Yangaroo Inc. Yangaroo Inc. announced that they've done a deal with Federation X to distribute their music in Europe. This is another, they've had several of these kind of deals done recently. And I think it puts, you know, it's a good development for the company. The stock is down 2 cents today to 35 cents on 61,000 shares traded hands. The stock is really a patchy trader. Definitely needs help with their audience building. You know, the trend looks good, but again, it's a trend that's based on real patchy trading, which is definitely a difficult trend to make any kind of heads or tails of it. YOO is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Corvus Gold. Corvus Gold had their a new technical report out on their Bullfrog project, and they've sort of reclassified some of their mineral resources, and there's less gold contained, but it's now contained within a pit shell, which makes more sense from a technical perspective on these kind of resource calculations. The market didn't like the news. It's down 9 cents today down 5.7% on 80,000 shares. It's trading at $1.48. It's taken quite a beating in the last 3 weeks or so. It was trading up to as much as $2.18. Has been down as low as about $1.28. Has bounced off of that, and now it's down again today. So I got a feeling it could test down to that $1.20-ish range again. KOR is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. And the big news for today was that Yamana and Osisko have come to terms on what looks like Yamana's getting 50% of Osisko for $929 million. It's got quite a few elements to the deal. For example, part of it, the shareholders of Osisko will get cash, $2.19 in cash. They'll get a portion of a Yamana common share. So for every 1 share of Osisko, they get 0.2119 of a Yamana share, and then they'll have a new common shares for Osisko as well. So the deal works out to an implied value somewhere around $7.60. I think this is, well, I know this is substantially more significant than what Goldcorp was offering for the company. Plus, it gives the current shareholders exposure to the future of Osisko. And my opinion always was, when the Goldcorp deal was announced, was that Osisko really didn't need them. They're the lowest cost producer, one of the lowest cost producers in the industry. They're producing 500 million ounces a year, or 500,000 ounces a year. Why would they need Goldcorp? They don't. It doesn't make any sense to me. So now they get shares in Yamana. Yamana's a company I like a lot. And they've got a good profile on their pipeline of production. So yeah, I can understand why the management of both companies are supportive of this deal, and I think that it doesn't preclude the possibility that another bid will come to the market from Goldcorp. They've got deep pockets, and I don't think they want to get beat, and they want to own Osisko. So we'll see. The stock's up, Osisko's up 61 cents today, or 8.9%, on 34 million shares traded, last at $7.49. Again, with the takeover offer on the table, always hard to get an idea of what the stock is telling, is indicating. Right now I would venture a guess that that I think that Goldcorp might make another bid, but we'll see. I'll give you the stock info. Yamana, forgot to add Yamana in there. Yamana's stock is up or down a penny today to $9.70. Traded on 5.74 million shares. Stock's looking pretty oversold to me, and ready to actually move off of this. So I think I'll be talking about YRI. That's Yamana's stock symbol, YRI, on Toronto this Friday on the Best of the Best and Weekly News Show. Osisko stock symbol is OSK, and they trade on Toronto. So that's it for the news today. As always, before making any investment decision, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. Catch our shows Monday through Thursday on the front page of agoracom.com. Top right-hand side there, look for the play button. You can also find our work on blog.agoracom and at my website at allenberryreports.com. On that, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.